Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing both devices. Make sure your smart TV and phone share the same Wi-Fi and open the YouTube app on the TV. On your phone, sign into the YouTube app with the same Google account. This links devices securely. Once done, tap the Cast icon in the phone app. It discovers the TV automatically. If Cast doesn't show, force close the app and retry. This quick step often fixes discovery issues. Now pair and control YouTube without the physical remote. Tap Cast and choose your TV. If prompted, enter the TV's pairing code from YouTube settings on screen into your phone. Make sure your phone's virtual keyboard can input the code. It acts as your remote. If the TV lacks Cast, enable HDMI CEC on the connected device or pair a Bluetooth gamepad to navigate the interface. These methods let you browse, search, and finish by using your phone to control playback. Play, pause, seek, and adjust volume. Use voice search in the YouTube app to find videos faster, then tap to Cast. Make sure the TV stays on the same Wi-Fi. Small network changes break the link. If casting fails, restart the YouTube app, toggle Wi-Fi on both devices, or reboot the TV. One quick reboot often restores casting. If you still can't connect, confirm both devices are signed into the same account and try pairing again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.